this is Little Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Jeep Renegade, stock number 7182. It's ran from the 9th 2015 to the 1st 2020. Here's a BU 1.6 litre 4-cylinder pitch engine backed by 5-speed manual transmission. This is a BU 1.6 litre 4-cylinder pitch engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch, console lid, gear shifter, AC controls, factory stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl stereo, short cluster.